Project management is everywhere, and even though you might not know exactly what it is, you're probably already more involved in it than you think. Hi, I'm Adriana Girdler, project management expert and creator of the SLAY Project Management Framework. For over 20 years, I've been teaching project management to individuals and companies in all kinds of industries. And here's the truth. Projects are simply how work moves forward. And because projects are everywhere, understanding how to manage them is one of the most practical skills you can build. In this video, I'm not only going to answer the question, what is project management? I'm also going to tell you why it matters to companies and why it's such an exciting skill to have. So let's dive in. What is a project? Let's start with the absolute basics. A project is simply something that has a beginning, an end, a specific goal you're trying to achieve. Really, that's it. A project creates something new. It could be a product, a service, a process, or an improvement. And once that thing is delivered, the project is done. It's temporary by design. So if you're doing the same task every single day as part of your job, well, that is not a project. It might be important work, but it's not a project. Projects are things like launching a new website, building a house, improving a process in your company, rolling out a new product, or testing a new concept. Those are all projects because they start, they finish, and they produce something that didn't exist before. Projects bring together subject matter experts to help get work done, which means project naturally involves teamwork, decisions, moving parts, and coordination. And that is exactly why project management exists in the first place, which is what we'll talk about next. But before we get further into what is project management, if you want to set yourself up to succeed as a project manager, make sure you get my checklist on 10 project mistakes setting you up for failure and how to make sure yours doesn't. I'll put a link in the description box below. What is project management? Project management is simply the process of guiding a project from idea to completion in an organized, intentional way. It helps you make sure the project reaches its goal on time, on budget, and with the outcome everyone agreed to. Here's the part most people miss. Project management isn't just about tools or timelines. It's also about clear communication and coordination. It's making sure everyone involved knows the following. What are we doing? Why are we doing it? And how are we going to get there? And more importantly, what success actually looks like. It's also about spotting risks before they blow everything up, removing roadblocks for your team, and keeping expectations aligned and adjusting the plan when things change, because I promise you, they always do. And whether you use agile, waterfall, hybrid, or any other project methodology, those are just different ways to execute the plan. Project management itself is an overarching structure that keeps everything moving forward. In other words, if a project is the what, project management is the how. Why is project management important? Well, projects don't succeed on good intentions alone. They need structure, clarity, and someone ensuring all the moving parts are actually coming together. When you strip it down, project management gives teams a clear roadmap so they know the following. What needs to happen? Who's doing it? When is it due? And how everything connects. Without that structure, projects drift, stall, or evolve into chaos. Companies rely on project management because it keeps their most important initiatives on track. When projects are managed well, organizations use their time, money, and people more effectively. They run into fewer surprises because risks get identified early instead of becoming expensive emergencies. And maybe most importantly, project management gives companies predictability because it increases the chances that work will be delivered on time, within budget, and with a quality that was promised. Why is having a project manager necessary? We can't answer the question, what is project management, without talking about the person who makes it all work, the project manager. A lot of organizations try to run projects by committee or assume someone can just, take it on alongside their regular job. But the truth is this: projects need someone dedicated to guiding them. Otherwise, the plan stays a plan and the project never really moves forward. The project manager is the one who brings clarity to all the moving parts. They coordinate people, decisions, information, and timelines so everyone stays focused on the same goal. They also protect the project scope, which is critical because quick additions can quietly turn into a completely different project if no one is watching. They also keep communication flowing. Teams need updates, stakeholders need visibility, and leaders need progress. Project manager is the bridge between all of them, making sure nothing gets lost, misinterpreted, or worse yet, delayed. And because projects rarely go as planned, a project manager is constantly looking ahead, anticipating risks, managing changes, removing roadblocks, and adjusting the plan when new information comes up. It's them being proactive that prevents issues from becoming emergencies. Most importantly, project managers support the people doing the work. They motivate, clarify expectations, and create an environment where the team can actually succeed. Key fundamentals of project management. If you're wondering what a project manager actually needs to know to do all of this well, there are a few fundamentals that make a big difference. First, you need to understand core project terminology, things like scope, stakeholder, deliverables, and dependencies. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the language of how projects work, and knowing them helps you communicate clearly with your team and your leaders. Next is understanding the project life cycle, because every project goes through the same 5 stages. When you know what's happening in each stage, it becomes much easier to stay organized and know what's expected of you. That's actually why, in fact, I structured my course around the 5 phases of the project. Planning is also a big one. Good project managers don't just dive in, they map things out. That means breaking down the work, building a realistic timeline, and setting a strong foundation before the team starts executing. Then, yes, documentation and communication, which actually go hand in hand. Every project relies on a few core documents that help you plan, align, and keep everyone moving in the same direction so you avoid misunderstandings and last-minute surprises that, let me tell you, no one wants. Essentially, clear documentation plus clear communication makes everything run smoother. Finally, there's people leadership. If you're a project manager, you're guiding a group of individuals who usually don't report to you. So you're leading by influencing, encouraging your team, setting expectations, removing roadblocks, and acknowledging progress. This is a role where human skills matter just as much as the technical ones. When you put all of these fundamentals into practice, you're not only managing a project, you're setting it up to succeed. What do I love about project management? Well, what I love the most is no 2 projects are ever the same. Each one brings a new challenge, a new team, a new goal, and that keeps the work fresh and exciting. I also love the sense of completion that comes with it, because not every career lets you take something from an idea to the finish line and say, yes, we built that. We delivered that. It lets you see the impact of your work in a real tangible way. And its core project management is really about people, about leading, encouraging, and supporting people. And I have to say, helping a team bring something to life is extremely rewarding. If you're watching this and thinking, okay, now I definitely want to learn more about project management, well, you're in the right place. That's why I created my Slay Project Management course. It's beginner friendly, and it walks you step by step through everything you need to know to run a project with confidence. If you're ready to build a strong project management foundation, it's a perfect place to start. Now, watch this next video to learn more about project management fundamentals, and don't forget to subscribe. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.